Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Lesson number 9, CVC, the short E sound. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. V, E, T, vet. Now it's your turn. Now practice with me. V, E, T, vet. Say it again. Vet. Repeat after me. Vet, vet, vet. Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. V, E, T, vet. V, E, T, vet. Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video. You can download a free flashcard using the link in the description below. Please subscribe. Can you read this sentence? A vet can help your pet. Repeat after me. A vet can help your pet. A vet can help your pet. A vet can help your pet. Repeat after me. A vet can help your pet. A vet can help your pet. Say it again. Vet. A vet can help your pet. Repeat after me. A vet can help your pet. A vet can help your pet. Vet. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading.
Read with me. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Learn to read with Teacher Mick, and your skills will improve really quick. C, V, T, cat, bat, mat. Read with me. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
With Teacher Mick. Alphabet to reading. Learn with Teacher Mick. Reading really quick, yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.